So your key fob battery's dead. You don't know how to start your car. Well, don't worry, I'll show you how at the very end of the video. But first, let's replace that battery. Alright, so flip that key fob over, push the slide, and pull the key out, because that's all we're going to need to take this thing apart. So hold the key fob in one hand and the key in the other hand. You're going to stick the key in between those two plastic gaps right there and pry the shell open. And now the fob should just fall apart just like this. Now you have the inside, the battery and the control. To pull the battery out, just hold it from the right side and pry it up with your fingers. It should pop right out. And now to put the new coin battery in, just drop it back into the hole and push it down into the remote and it should pop right in. Just like that. So now take the other half and lay it on top of the remote half. And then go ahead and squeeze it and it will snap back together again. Alright, now that's back to one piece, let's go ahead and put the key back inside the remote fob. And then when you have it back together, flip it over, press the button, and make sure that red LED comes on. That will show you that everything was done correctly. Here's the bonus tip. So have the remote right here. No battery. Can't start the car. Nothing. Now, and it starts the car without the battery, but you have to press the remote against the button. Subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching. Con Auto out.